while research into lab-grown leather as an alternative to the regular animal-based material carries on. A firm in the north of Italy has been working on an ingenious and versatile plant-based alternative. Frumat's apple skin is a bio-based leather alternative derived from the apple industry food waste, a region renowned for the production of apples and which every year is faced with a significant amount of waste. Frumat developed a new raw material to answer both the local apple waste issue and the increasing demand for the ecological alternative to leather. The result is a cellulose-based material featuring a variety of textures, thicknesses and embossing and laser prints, allowing for it to be used across industry and that it can be produced on demand and easily personalized. The company has two lines of production. Frumat apple skin is currently being used in the fashion and furnishing industry due to the product's ability to be worked into the different textures. The softer fiber is ideal for textiles with a direct application in the clothing and apparel industry. Sturdier, thicker version PU leather alternative made of 50% recycled apple fiber and 50% polyurethane. Is currently being used for shoes and luggage articles as well as furnishing and upholstery. While Frumat apple paper also produced in a number of versions, each one with specific properties, is being already widely employed in the production of stationery articles as well as being used as tissue and packaging material by using apple skins and board sourced locally. Frumat offers a versatile, high-performing alternative to both leather and paper with a low environmental impact. The company is now one of the most dynamic realities in the field of agricultural and food waste recycling. Born in the Tyrol region in the north of Italy,